Today we are unboxing a stationery box.
It's all blue,
And
right?
Yeah.
First, the nice eraser. Second,
The pointers of the pencil. The tips of the pencil. This is how you open it and get the tips. Now for the blue nice sharpener. It even says lucky day.
these all are giraffes. This is the pen that I told you if it's over we can put the tips. You should push the button before using it.
I can't get the ruler out.
Maybe
Let's go to the pencils. There are two pencils. They're easy to take out.
Then the ruler. Now
I
it's
finally
easy.
got it out. Yay, let's place them back in so we can use it in a later time. The pen sharpener. Oh, it goes.
The ruler.
Now we keep that pen-shaped pencil. We have to push it back in or else it could come out.
Then
Now,
the tips.
after that, lastly the eraser.
How nice is it?